We're going to rotate a region about different lines, and we're going to do the same region. And the region that I'm interested in is y equals x squared and y equals 4. It's a region bounded by the parabola and the horizontal line y equals 4. And the first part, we're going to rotate that about the line y equals 4. First, I'm going to draw a picture of the region. So we have the parabola y equals x squared, and then we've got the line y equals 4. The region that I'm interested in, this region will be shaded. This is the region that we are going to rotate about the line y equals 4. Now with this region, we have that when y is 4, x squared, letting x squared equals 4, we know that x is plus or minus 2. So we have that the a value will be negative 2 and the b value is positive 2. We're now going to put typical rectangle. If we subdivided negative 2 and 2 into n subintervals, we would get a typical rectangle that is a vertical rectangle. So here's my typical rectangle. So we picture what happens when this rectangle is rotated about the line y equals 4, and because it's on the line y equals 4, it's going to give us a disk. So we're going to give a disk is going to be our problem. So in this case, what I have to do is figure out what is the radius of that disk. And the radius, which I'll call r, of that disk is this distance that I've outlined here. So this r value is upper 4 minus the y value on the curve, which is x squared. So r is x squared. And our volume will be pi r squared dx from a to b. So the volume will be the integral from, we've subdivided the region from negative 2 to 2, pi, the radius is 4 minus x squared squared dx. That is rotating about the line y equals 4. Now, as a second problem, instead of just rotating about the line y equals 4, we're going to rotate about the line y equals 5. I'm going to draw the picture again. We have y equals x squared and y equals 4. Here's my x, here's my y-axis. Now I have the line y equals 5. I'm looking at the same region, and this time it's going to be rotated about the line y equals 5.